Welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm Wendy, your Christmas chaos coordinator. So today I want to talk about like gift wrap hacks, right? Like you're almost done wrapping, you're at the last stretch, you've got 2 or 3 little things left, and then you go, I'm out of paper. What am I gonna do? Right? Well, today I've got a few tips, tricks, and hacks to get us through those last couple of gifts. Plus, maybe it'll change your mind about wrapping paper overall. Lots of fun ways to get around wrapping a gift. Let's get started. Well, it's the end of the night, and you've got it all surrounding you, and you've got a couple of gifts left. What are we doing? How are we going to fix this situation? Let's start with a towel or fabric. If you have any red, white, green, gold, golden white, gold, white, and green, anything, you can toss in, fold it up, flip this to the front, a little double-sided tape, a little ribbon across the top. You can use a red ribbon. Everybody has red ribbon left. Maybe just a little scrap of ribbon left that you can tie your bow right here across the front. It's a towel. Beautifully folded, done, perfect. We'll set her over here. What else do we have? What are we going to put this in? Well, do you have any Christmas socks left that you haven't worn, obviously? Do you have any little decorations hanging about your house? I know I have a couple more of these. Oh, here they are. Same thing. Tuck them right in there. Put a little ribbon on top. You're good to go. Let's see. What about a candle? Same thing. How are we going to put a candle together? Well, you can always just add a big bow on the top. You can also take some Christmas ribbon and wrap it all the way around. Double-sided tape is a lifesaver at Christmas or any holiday. Wrapping gifts, it's just automatically in my arsenal. Wrapped gift with ribbon, and put a bow on top. Go into your other ribbons. Just find a big ribbon. We have a ribbon. Easy. And he's wrapped. Get the double-sided tape. I think he looked best with this. I'm going to put him together there. He also fits inside the sock, just so you're aware. So you can put nice bottles of things in a sock and then twist the other sock up at the top. You have a basket hanging around? Maybe? Well, that basket makes for a great gift giver. Whoop. Yeah, but Wendy, you don't have anything on the inside. It's not even wrapped. It doesn't look right. Okay. Here's everybody has one of these. Bag of bags, as they say. I just happen to have some black and gold and white and silver paper in here, tissue paper. use the tissue paper and throw it in the basket. Be amazed what you have around your house. It's perfect for wrapping. Perfect for wrapping, right? Oh, I have another idea. Hold on. All right. Going back through the house. How many of you have these? Somebody's aunt gave you the little Christmas oven mitt. It's been sitting in the drawer. Still looks good. Guess what fits in there? Cookie mix, a spoon. You've practically given them, minus the cookies. All they have to do is add ingredients. You've given them 2 gifts. You've run out of all the red. You've run out of all the green. You just know there's nothing left in your house. Go back. Go back to your bag full. Your birthday bag, as it were. You are bound to find green paper, sparkle paper, gold paper, red paper, old bows that don't fit anything anymore, a brown paper bag, which works perfectly for Christmas gifts. Perfect. Also, while you're digging in there, you're going to find here's your red and white bag. Just so happens to be with a birthday bag on the back, but guess what? This works. What about the silver and white? What about the gold? Go through your birthday bag. You're going to be surprised what you're going to find in there. At the end of the day, nobody's judging your wrapping skills. They're just thrilled that you thought of them. And that's the goal. Be thoughtful, not perfect. Wrapping with ribbon? Brilliant. Using an oven mitt? Iconic. Wrapping with towels? Genius. The basket. Adorable. It's all about presentation, and if it's got a bow on it, it's Martha Stewart approved. So there you go. Proof that a little creativity and a lot of ribbon can get you a long way. Here's to today's Vlogmas. We'll catch you tomorrow for another episode. Have a great day. Bye-bye.